friends, this is Deepa Suresh. Welcome back to Deep's Kitchen. Today's recipe is instant whole wheat dosa, which is super quick and easy to make, and it is equally tasty and healthy. To begin, into a bowl add half a cup of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of suji, finally salt to taste. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it well to make a lump-free batter. I highly recommend you guys to use a whisk so that you will not get any lumps at all. Now you can see the batter is thick. To add another half cup of water. Basically you want this batter to be really thin, like a buttermilk. You can see the batter is very thin. So for half cup of whole wheat flour I used 1.5 cup of water. Just check for the salt, and if it is okay, then the batter is ready to make whole wheat dosa. But if you want to add upon some flavor to it, you can add some spices. So I have here some cumin seeds. Just crush it up with your palm. Crushed pepper. I have 1 green chili and few curry leaves which are very finely chopped. Mix everything well. So just cover it with the lid and let it to rest for 10 minutes. So it's been around 10 minutes I have rested this batter. So now make sure you mixing up every time you are pouring the batter, because this suji and rice flour, even the whole wheat flour will settle at the bottom. So now the batter is ready to make our whole wheat dosa. So here I have a tawa over stove and it's really hot. So just sprinkle in some water to check how hot the tawa is. So as I mentioned earlier, make sure you're mixing up really well every time you're pouring a batter. And pour it over. Now add some oil on the top. So you have to wait until the bottom become golden brown, and then you may separate it from the tawa using a spatula, and then we will flip it over. You can see the other side also cooked well with a nice golden color. Now the dosa is ready to serve. So guys, we have our whole wheat dosa ready to serve. Enjoy it with chutney or sambar of your choice. Hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Hit and subscribe, and thank you so much for tuning in. Bye bye.